unboxing, install, and review on the Rugged Ridge Elite LED taillight guards for the Jeep JL. These guards go for $99. I'm going to put a link below so you can go check them out. But let's just dive right into this and see what this product is all about. First off, the packaging was pretty impressive. It has retail level packaging, shows images of what it is, even shows a cutout front where you can touch and feel the actual guard to see how it feels. Let's open these suckers up. Take a look at the foam top guard, obviously keep everything in place. We've got our instruction manual, everything you need on how to do the steps. We've got our hardware package. Looks like it's got some Weatherstripping in it and some other hardware that we need. Then we've got the guards themselves. So let's take one out. This is the right one, which is labeled with an R, as you can see. And this guard here, the guards look like they're a sandwich style, so they're going to sandwich around the headlight. I think that's going to be, definitely a very good upgrade to the previous guards that they used to sell for the JK. Those guards you should just screw onto the front of the headlight. They were mostly a cosmetic thing. They were not a strength thing. Where this sandwich technique looked like it might be a little bit more effective in terms of protecting the headlights. Cosmetically, they look pretty cool, and we're going to see how they go. So yeah, we've got the right side here, and then we've got the left side as well. So same thing, just roll reverse, probably it's designed to fit each side. So what we're going to do next is we're going to dive into the install and show you the steps and everything you need to do. General steps is we're going to have to remove the taillight, assemble this bracket around the taillight, and then put the taillight back on.
Slide the red locking pin to release the trigger. Once the trigger has been released, press down on the plug and pull apart to release the expected, I had the same issues. I decided to continue and give it more elbow grease.
So I finished the install. I'm gonna make this quick. It's gotten a lot colder since I started this install. The garage I'm in is exposed to the weather, so my hands have started got cold, but the overall design of this I'm pretty happy with. No complaints. It looks pretty cool. Definitely changes the aggressiveness, and hopefully in the case of off-roading, it will definitely protect it. I do have one comment about the overall design. You can see here at the top, there is a small gap. That was mostly caused because there's only three bolts, one in each of the other corners except for this corner. If there had been one in this corner, it probably would have pulled this in a lot more. I'm assuming that's a design thing. There was probably a reason, but overall, very happy with the fit and the look. Definitely excited to have them on the Jeep and have them enjoy everything about it. So please, guys, like and subscribe this video. I've got 2 more things to add this month, so I'll have those videos up shortly. But until then, I'm going to go warm up. So enjoy the rest of your afternoon or evening, whatever it may be. See you guys.